put together my best friend's welcome home gift. My trusty worm. Bag for the items. His favorite candies for the bottom layer. Tattoos and stickers for his little brother and him. Never mind. Let me put the card in first. Let's put in the candy now. Te-hee-hee-hee-hee-hee. Little toys. Party poppers. Ew, that was loud. Again, BC, that was fun. So pretty. Let's go get more. The stash. Here they are. Now let's put in the skishies. Foam cheese, green sparkle sugar duck, and putty. Here it is. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, subscribe. Welcome home, Mason, at Joe's Cereal. CapCut for editing. Why are you still here? The video is over.